is the end. This is the end. This is the air I breathe, singing. This is. This is the air I breathe. This is your holy presence. In me, this is my daily bread. This is spoken, and I say, and desperate for you. And I sing on behalf of America. We're desperate for you. Just open your mouth and raise a cry to the Lord tonight. Just been so broken there in worship. Just listening to my brother just lead, just weeping before the Lord. There's such a hunger in the room. I just sense it. Something seismic, something heavenly is about to happen these few days. I sense it. Would you open your mouth? Shabaka. Are there desperate people tonight? My God. My God. My God. Sheveke barataime. Hey, Yaba. Hey. Oh. Oh. Call on that name, Jesus. His name is Jesus. 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 Proclaim his name, Jesus. 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 As the trumpet sounds, as I release a sound, open your mouth and release that sound. midst of his people is mighty. If you have a prayer language, release it. He's awesome in this place. He's awesome. Just hallow his presence here. He says he's not coming back to America for business as usual. Sing it like a cry. Sing Adonai. Only the sisters sing Adonai. One more time. Let the men declare that. Everybody with everything within you, sing. One more time, cry Adonai, the Lord, the sovereign one, the King of heaven, Adonai. From the rising to the setting of the same, your name be hallowed, Adonai, Adonai. From the rising setting of the same. Your name, it will be hallowed in the USA. Blessed art thou, Son of David. Blessed art thou, Root of Jesse. Blessed art thou, Son of David. Blessed art thou, Root of Jesse. You are eminently glorious, immaculately beautiful. I can go on and on and on, but my words are not enough. My vocabularies will fail me. Permit me to cry out, Ibao, Ibao. It means to bow, Ibao, Ibao. It means reverence. It means worship. It means adore, Ibao. When we lack words to sing, we say, Ibao. When we are overwhelmed with His presence, Ibao. Blessed art thou, Rock of Ages. Blessed art thou, King of Heaven. Blessed art thou, Rock of Ages. Blessed art thou, King of Heaven. Your presence fills this room. You are infinitely powerful, magnificently wonderful. I can go on and on and on, but my words are not enough. My vocabularies always fail me. Permit me to cry out in tongues. When we lack words to say, for he that speaketh in an unknown tongue speaketh not unto men but unto God, for no man understandeth him. But in the spirit he speaks mysteries. Can I give you 1 minute? Open your mouth, release the river. Sheme kelaba, release the sound of revival. Kelaba shabaratie. There are mighty angels in this place. The King of Glory is in this house. An innumerable company of angels. Oh, can you see them? Can you see them? Can you see them? The 420 elders cast their crowns, singing holy. Blessed art thou, root of Jesse, Yeshua HaMashiach. Blessed art thou, Rock of Ages. Blessed art thou, King of Heaven. You are infinitely powerful, magnificently wonderful. We can go on and on and on. But our words are not enough, they're so weak. Our vocabularies always fail us. Excuse us to cry out in tongues and sing Ibao. Ibao. Spirit of the sovereign Lord, come and make your presence known. Reveal the glory of Spirit of the sovereign Lord, come and make your presence known. Reveal the glory of the Lord. His glory is in the room. His majesty is in the room. His sovereignty is in the room. His power is in the room. His majesty, his dominion is in the room. Oh. Let the way